good, it's clear. Oh, it's Friday finally. Just okay, wait. Because I'm using my right arm. There you go. Sorry. I'm using my right with my phone. Alright, it's definitely it's Friday. Oh my god. That's actually now it's 7. I'm having out to work, it's a little bit early, but that's okay. So it's early bird. So work is just half a mile from here. I still drive because it's chill. I never walked bus. Alright, so oh wait. Okay, he's clean. I hope everyone is doing well, and it's what, December. I think it's December. It's my seat. Hold on. My seat. It's annoying. There you go. Sorry. So I'll be focused. I should be focusing driving anyway. I will. So I'm heading off to Maldives pretty soon. And actually, yeah, it's pretty soon. The last day of work is on the 18th, and actually the last student day, the last online session will be. I gotta keep an eye on the road. On Thursday next week. And last day, it's the tail end of the semester. So, matter of fact, since it's a distance learning, so the semester is equivalent to 1 year. So next semester, the second, it will be a different set of students, and it's been well, as I mentioned in my other video. So I am very much used to it. All right, so that's my school. There you go. So that's the one. See, pretty close. I was okay. Hold on. All right, there you go. Oh, yeah. So normally it's custodians are the first one here. And I know the custodian is. He arrives at 5:30 in the morning. And I'm the first faculty. And there's not a lot of faculty who goes here because they all do distance, totally remote. In my case, I teach in an empty classroom. Alright, there you go. See how quick it is. Alright, so it's the. Oh my god. Turn it off. Perfect. So, alright. So it's a much better day today. So I hope everyone is doing well. I will. And classroom is so that the classroom is easy access because I got my car here parked. That's my classroom, and it should be a very fine day today. Alright, so bye for now. Cheers. Good morning, everyone. It's early in the morning. It's Tuesday, and it's a couple of weeks and a holiday once again. And it's a Christmas holiday, my most favorite. I think it's one of the most favorite of majority of the people. So I'm here at work, obviously. So it's about almost 7. I'm an early bird, and I can't imagine that this year is unfolding so swiftly. So no more 2020. All right, let's erase that from the map. It's history. I hope history will never repeat itself. So I am heading off to Maldives this holiday, and I'm so over the moon. And it should be warm and sunny. As a matter of fact, today's forecast here in the area is it will go up to as high as 78. And it's the middle of the fall season, and it's been freezing. See, I got my gloves, actually my rubber gloves. I always wear this when I'm at work, but I was wearing mittens on my way back, so the steering wheel was so freezing. So I hope everyone is doing well, and I'm making the best day ever. As the saying goes, traveling is not arriving to a new destination. It is looking at the world in a different perspective. Keep a smile, and the world will smile at you. Cheers. Be safe. and bye. This time is to make an Amerindian, Caribbean, Spanish all-in-one delicacy with, guess, massive banana, the plantain. So it's not very dark yet. It's not undergoing decomposition, but it should be the way. As a matter of fact, so it should be a bit ripe now, but I'll find my ways. Alright, so this is from Amerindian. This is an Amerindian, Caribbean, Spanish delicacy that I would love to try. And I'm giving this a bit of a twist, and you're gonna find out how will I give it a twist. Alright, right next to the stove. And I'm ready. I will prepare a dish, and then I am excited. Cooking with plantain on an Amerindian, Caribbean, Spanish delicacy. Alright, I am over the moon. It's tasting time. I just had a couple of bites. It's so delicious. Now this is an Amerindian, Caribbean, Spanish plantain. It's very healthy. I added a twist. I put some protein powder as well as some oats, okay, fresh oats, and it's really, of course, delicious, and it's healthy as well. Wow. Once again, my friends, thank you for watching the video. I hope you learned something. I did. Once again, traveling is not arriving to a new destination. It is a looking at the world in a different perspective. Keep that smile and the world will smile at you. Cheers. Be safe. Bye.